guys, Cindy out here from Artsy Endeavours. How you doing today? I'm doing pretty good. I was sitting here and I got a bunch of tags out, and some of them had some stuff on them, some of them didn't, but I decided I wanted to play with them, and I'm just going to show you what I did. But first, I've had these forever, and I haven't used them in a while. There's a bunch of different ones here that I have. As you can tell, the packaging is quite yellowed. I've had them for a long time. And I really, really like these. I've got some Dilutions. I got some Tim Holtz. Just different background stamps. I didn't use the words. I didn't use the kitty cats or those. I didn't use the puppy dogs, but I thought I was gonna. These guys. There's a few of them I used, a few of them I didn't. This guy I used. But I got thinking about it, and I'm like, you know, I haven't used these in so long. So I dug in my cabinet. I got them all out. And I want to show you what I did with them. Everything is done on colored backgrounds, and they're all done black. But I just want to, let me bring you in so I can show you. Whoop, there you go. Right way, Cindy. This was actually stamped on here. A couple of them, I'm sorry, or stenciled on here. So I just used the stamps to put a little bit more to them. And then I decided what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go through and either take paint or take a gel pen or something and just make these, you know, finish them up so that I can use them. This one, actually, this little girl, she's right here. I used her. Again, this was stamped on there already. I just put some flowers and some leaves. Just a little background. This is stenciled on. That's stenciled on as well. I didn't put anything up here. I'm not sure what I'm going to do up here yet, but I just put in some extra plants. But I just wanted to show you real quick. If you got something that's partially, you know, it's got a background on it, but you're not really sure what to do with it, I decided to get out these stamps, and I'm really glad I did because I've enjoyed using them. Here's some other ones I didn't do anything on. This one's just got a double stencil on it. These were actual stencils that I haven't done anything to yet. Here's another background. This is a background. This one I did a stencil of a hand. No idea what I'm going to do with this, but I'll use it one of these days in my journals. This just has a pocket with one of those transparencies that I talked about before. Just backgrounds. But I didn't do anything to these. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. And here's a couple more backgrounds. Crazy. That one's on Aphrodite. This one's on a timesheet. So, yeah, I just wanted to real quick pop in and show you, you know, what I decided to do with my stamps. And I'm really glad I got them out because, like I said, there's a lot of them here that I really enjoy, and I've really missed using them. So just a little thought, if you feel like, you know, you want to do something but you're not really sure what, go back and look at your stamps. Look how black my hands are. Go back and look at your stamps and get them out and play around with them. You'll have lots of fun. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.